All right, let's dive right in. We're going to explore the future of the open metaverse by looking at how two really key standards can work together to finally let us travel between virtual worlds.
I mean, this is the dream, right? The whole promise of the open metaverse. But today we're all stuck in these walled gardens. Trying to move between worlds is basically impossible. This is what we call the portaling problem, and it's the fundamental barrier we have to break down.
Right now, if you want to connect two virtual worlds, you have to build this custom one-off bridge. The source material calls them brittle mappings, which is a perfect description. They break all the time. This isn't just some small inconvenience, it's a massive technical wall. And to tear it down, we don't just need one solution, we actually need a two-layer solution.
Okay, so let's start with layer 1, which we'll call the plumbing. This part is all about building the actual pathway, the tunnel, from one world to the next.
And that plumbing is called IWPS, the Interworld Portaling System. It's a protocol designed to do just one job. It works with two super simple API calls, a query to basically ask the destination world, hey, are you ready for me? And then a teleport to actually make the jump. So you can think of this as the transport mechanism. It handles the how of getting from world A to world B.
The analysis documents use this fantastic metaphor for it. IWPS is the plumbing. It's what builds the secure tunnel and manages the connection between worlds. But, and this is a really key point, it doesn't define what actually goes through that tunnel.
So this is what that plumbing actually does. It handles capability negotiation, which is just a fancy way of asking, hey, can you even support my avatar and my gear? It creates a secure, private connection just for your journey, picks the best communication path, and then manages the actual query and teleport calls.
And this is the million-dollar question, right? We've built the pipes, but they're completely empty. What are we sending through them? This brings us to the next absolutely crucial piece of the puzzle, your actual portable data.
And that brings us right to the second layer, which builds directly on top of the first. If IWPS is the plumbing, well, now we need to talk about the cargo.
And that cargo has a name, the Universal Manifest, or for short. The sources call it a portable state capsule. Just think of it like a secure digital backpack, a verifiable envelope that carries your identity, your privacy settings, and, most importantly, lightweight pointers to all your stuff.
To complete our little metaphor, this is the perfect counterpart. If IWS is the plumbing, then the Universal Manifest is the cargo. It's the secure, standardized package that's designed to travel through those pipes.
So what's inside this digital backpack? This is the really clever part. It's not carrying the huge 3D models of your gear. No way. The just carries lightweight pointers to your avatar and your inventory. It also carries your decentralized identity, your rules for things like voice capture, and even compliance proofs. This whole approach keeps the package small, fast, and totally secure.
So we have the plumbing and we have the cargo. Now let's see how these two systems work in perfect sync when you actually jump through a portal.
Okay, here's the play-by-play. First, IWPS sends a query to the destination world. That world asks for your Universal Manifest ID, or UMID. It then uses that ID to look up and retrieve your manifest. Once your cargo is ready, IWPS executes the teleport, delivering you and your manifest. And the very first thing the new world does is read and enforce your rules.
And this is just such an essential part of the design. Your arrival doesn't give the new world a free pass. It must read the consent rules in your Universal Manifest before it can render your avatar, activate your microphone, or even look at your social graph. Your privacy travels with you.
So finally, let's just step back and really drive home why this two-layer system is so powerful, and why both of these pieces are absolutely essential.
This table from the analysis documents just lays it out perfectly. Look at the rows for assets, consent, and portable state. IWPS explicitly says to be determined or doesn't address them at all. And then what does the Universal Manifest provide? The exact solutions for those gaps. Asset pointers and default deny consent, all packed up in a portable data envelope. It's like they were made for each other.
This really shows why neither of these standards can solve the problem on their own. IWPS without is just an empty tunnel. You have a path, but nothing to carry. And without IWPS, well, that's stranded cargo. You've got this perfect backpack with no way to travel. They are designed to be partners. And this is it. This is the definitive solution to the portaling problem. It's not one standard, but two working in perfect harmony. IWPS handles the how, the transport, and UPM handles the what,
your portable self. Together, they create a complete, secure, and user-controlled way to travel the open metaverse.
You know, this technology isn't just about technical standards. It's about unlocking incredible possibilities. For the first time, we have a clear architectural path to a truly interconnected digital space. So the only question left is, with the portal finally open, where will you go first?